Choose the difficulty level. Select a song.
You may think that we're the same. Shere Khan the tiger has returned. He will surely kill the man-cub Mowgli and all who tried to protect him. As chief of the council, I have reached my decision. The man-cub must leave the pack.
Leave? But Akela, Mowgli is like my own son. He cannot survive alone in the jungle.
I'm sorry, Rama.
Akela, perhaps I can be of help. I know a man village where he'll be safe. I'm sure Mowgli will go with me.
So be it. Good luck, Bagheera.
Hi, Bagheera. Are we going to take a walk in the jungle?
Not just a walk, Mowgli. This time I'm taking you to a man village.
A man village? But why?
Because Shere Khan has returned to this part of the jungle, and he has sworn to kill you.
Kill me? I'm not afraid. I want to stay in the jungle.
You wouldn't last one day in the jungle on your own.
Sure I could.
The jungle is too dangerous for you. You'll see.
For a man-cub. Well, my home is in the jungle, and although I am quite humble, I am not just another pussycat. When I roar, the rumbles and the floor crumble as I'm a well-respected jungle-savvy cat. But just look at you, Mowgli. Truly anyone can see that you possess neither the speed nor the size. This is no joke, my friend. Yes, you'll see in the end that you should listen to the words of the wise. You may think that we're the same. You may think it's all a game. You may think it's all only fun and joy. It may not be to your taste, but you're going to have to face that the jungle is no place for a boy.
That was very good, Mowgli. You haven't seen anything yet.
Well, there's trouble in the jungle, and sometimes everybody fumbles. But when I fall, I don't get carried away. Some you win and some you lose, but as long as you follow your mules, you'll be singing at the end.
You're fantastic!
The jungle's full of danger. No, it's no place for a stranger. There are snakes and tigers dying for a snack.
That's incredible!
And you may think you've reached your goal. You may think you're in control when you're suddenly knocked down by an attack. You may think that we're the same. You may think it's all
Totally unbelievable!
You may think that it's all only fun and joy. It may not be to your taste, but you're going to have to face that the jungle is no place for
You're
all.
amazing!
You've done well again, Mowgli. You still have much to learn.
Well, there are things I do believe in, and there are things I don't believe in, and the line is sometimes fine between right and wrong.
You're fantastic!
If I have to take a stand, it's not because I'm weak, it's because I'm strong. And sometimes my heart is broken, and the truth
That's
remains
incredible!
unspoken. And it seems to me that it's an unfair fight. But I'll never turn away. Yes, I am quite
Totally unbelievable!
I'm a cat that will roar for what is right. You may think that we're the same. You may think it's all a game. You may think that it's all only fun and joy. You may not be to your taste, but you're going to have to face that the jungle is no place for a boy.
I was perfect. I'm the best.
You got a high score. Please enter your initials.
You were wonderful, that's true. But now it's late. Time to find a safe place to sleep.
I proved it! I can stay in the jungle for sure!
Listen, Mowgli. Shere Khan hates man, and he is not going to allow you to grow up to become one. Now let's climb this tree, man cub. It will be a safe place to spend the night. Is that all the better you can climb? And you want to stay in the jungle?
I want to stay in the jungle.
Give it up, 2, 3, 4. 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 Give it up, 2.
Bagheera, you can't make me go to the man village. I'm staying in the jungle.
Listen to me, Mowgli. The jungle is no place for you. You are a man cub.
I can be whatever I want, even an elephant.
Give it up, 2, 3, 4. Give it up, 2, 3, 4. Give it up, 2, 3, 4. Give it up to the rear. March.
Hello, my name is Mowgli. This looks like fun. Can I join you?
Sure, but you have to follow my pop's orders. He's the colonel. Do you think you can?
Up, 2, 3, 4. Hop.
Drilling is easy. It's like your military jets. Just follow the beat.
2, 3, 4, and left. 2, 3, 4. Hop. 2, 3, 4. Hop. 2, 3, 4. Hop. 2, 3, 4, and right. 2, 3, 4. Keep it up.
That's great!
3, 4. Hop. 2, 3, 4. Hop. 2, 3, 4. Join the ranks and walk in line. Join the ranks and march in time. There is no game you can win if you don't have discipline. Join the ranks and you will see you can become just like me. If you're good and you don't flunk, you can join the ranks and sound your trunk. Attention! Company march!
You're alive!
And hop! 2, 3, 4, keep it up! 2, 3, 4, and hop! 2, 3, 4, keep it up! 2, 3, 4, hop! Company halt!
Hey, that was good, Mowgli. Now let's get ready for some more.
I once was a small elephant. My big voice was a tiny grunt, but in the ranks I learned respect. An elephant never forgets. In those days, now way back then, what year was that? I think it was when. Now where was I? Let's see. Well, just follow me. Join the ranks and walk in line. Join the ranks and march it. There is no game you can win if you don't have discipline. Join the ranks and you will see you can become just like me. If you're good and you don't flunk, you can join the ranks and sound your trunk. Like that. Coming in.
Totally unbelievable!
And one and a who and a hop and a who and a hop. Bit, wow, and up. Bit, all and hook, hook, bit, up. Coming in. What? Rookie in the ranks? Well, come here, soldier. Let's hear what you've got. Here in the back kingdom patrol, you will learn total control. I will teach you bit by bit to stop and salute and jump and hit. I, the commanding elephant, will show you to act with deference. Here you will follow the rules or get cast out with the fools. Join the ranks and walk in line. Join the ranks and march in time. There is no game you can win if you don't have discipline. Join the ranks and you will see you can become just like me. If you're good and you don't flunk, you can join the ranks and sound. I was going to say that. Well, fine. Coming in. March. In with the heart.
You got a high score. Please enter your initials.
Well done, Rookie. You're definitely one fine soldier.
That's true.
It is my honor to report that you will be a soldier for the rest of your life.
For the rest of my life?
Hold it, Colonel Hottie. He's with me. I'm taking him to the man village. I don't think he's soldier material quite yet. So long, Colonel. Now, no more running off, Mowgli. From now on, you follow me to the man village, or I'll leave you out here alone.
Then leave. I'm not going. Huh?
Yes, it's a doobie 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 doo. Well now, ha ha! What have we here? What a funny little thing this is.
Leave me alone.
Oh! Ha ha ha!
Nice try, Mowgli. That's what it takes with Baloo, that shiftless jungle bum. Don't listen to a word he says.
Oh, brother. Still the same old Bagheera. Hey, kid, you want to learn how to live like a bear in the jungle?
Oh, yeah!
All right, it's easy, you'll see. If you never worry about anything, the bare necessities will just come your way. Come on. Yeah.
Man, I can feel the beat coming. There's nothing more fun than living like a bear. You'll see. Look for the bare necessities.
You're cool.
Necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities of Mother Nature's
You're groovy.
and bring the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam,
You're groovy.
of my big home. The bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. When you look over the rocks and plants and take a glance at the fancy and then try a few.
You're flying.
The bare necessities of life will come to you. Ha ha! Great, kid. Now let's have some more fun. Just follow me. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare
You're
necessities.
amazing.
Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare
There's your
necessities.
challenge.
That's why a bear can rest at ease with just the bare necessities.
You're fantastic.
of life. So try and relax, yeah. Cool in my backyard.
Challenge
Cause
faith.
if you act like that beat, you're working too hard. Don't spend your time looking around for something you want that can't be found. When you find out
that's
you can
incredible.
live without it, then go along not thinking about it. I'll tell you something true.
Totally unbelievable.
The bare necessities of life will come
You're
to you.
amazing.
Nice job, kid. That's the way I like it. Now let's go for some more.
You're fantastic.
Yeah.
That's incredible. You got a high score. Please enter your initials.
Beautiful, Mowgli. Now you're the coolest bear in the jungle.
Yeah!
And now that you're such a great bear, Mowgli, let's do what bears have to do. Relax.
Hey, Papa Bear. I like being a bear.
That's my boy.
I hope they'll be all right.
Hey!
What? What happened? Where's Mowgli?
This is your lucky day. King Louie wants to see you, man cub.
You're gonna get to stay with us in the jungle.
Yeah, you'll see. There's nothing more fun than being a monkey. That's true. But before we bring you to King Louie, we gotta see if you're cool enough. Now, let's see what you got, man cub. It's the monkey test time. Hey there, little man cub. Now let's see if you are cool. 'Cause in that department, we hear monkeys rule. We don't waste our time with our
That's
feet on
great.
the ground. We're up in the air just fooling around. Now you human types, you kind of square.
You're groovy.
Thumbs just everywhere. You can hardly climb, you can barely swing. Let's see
That's
if
great.
you can do the monkey thing. 'Cause we got all the rhythms and we sure know how to swing 'em, and we sure know how to roll a great party. Now if you got the groove, you can join the fun and move and go bananas in the coconut tree. Good, man cub, but the test isn't over yet. Get ready for lesson number 2. Okay, little man cub.
You're
Now that was
amazing.
pretty good. You're even doing better than I thought you would. It looks like you're
Very good
more
challenge.
like you didn't get enough. So
You're
let's
fantastic.
move on to the serious stuff.
You're
Time to pull out all
Challenge
the
completed.
stops and prove that
You're
you can do the crazy monkey moves. Funny moves, quick moves, jumping around. Do a flip,
That's
a
great.
backflip, and make a funky sound. 'Cause we got all the rhythms, and we sure know how to swing 'em, and we sure know how to throw a great party.
You're nice.
Now if you got the groove, join the fun and move and go bananas in the coconut tree. Almost cool enough, man cub, but I'm not done having fun. Get set for lesson 3.
You're amazing. You're fantastic.
Shake it, little man cub, now give it all you got. You gotta stretch your stuff if you wanna reach the top. You really gotta know your monkey boogie if you wanna meet King Louie. We got all the rhythms and we sure know how to swing 'em, and we sure know how to throw a great party. Now if you got the groove, you can join the fun and move and go bananas in the coconut tree. Now let's go meet King Louie.
I was perfect. I'm the best.
You got a high score. Please enter your initials.
Well, now you're ready to meet King Louie. That's for sure.
Yeah!
Yeah! Woohoo!
So you're the man cub. Crazy. Now come on, let's shake hands, cousin.
Huh?
Or maybe you'd rather banana.
We can't do anything right now. It's too dangerous.
Word has grabbed my royal ear that you want to stay in the jungle. Well, now, that can be done, my friend. And here's how it goes. We're gonna play a little game together. If you win, you're free to live in the jungle wherever you want. But, if you lose, you'll have to stay here and teach me the secret of fire. Hooray! Crazy, ain't it?
Go for the power-up before King Louis to make him fall 3 times.
I, the king, decree that the game begins. Crazy.
You're grooving. All right. That's great.
Of the swingers, whoa, the jungle me, I pay. I reached the top and had to stop, and that was bothering me. I wanna be a man.
You're grooving.
So right into town and be just like the other men. I'm tired of walking around. Whoa, move it to. I wanna be like you.
You're flying.
I wanna walk like you, talk like you. You gotta see it's true, and they like me.
You're amazing.
Oh man, impossible. I'm the king. The game isn't over yet. Now don't try to kid me, man, cause I made a deal with you. What
You're fantastic.
This man's red fire, my dream come true. Now give me the secret, man, cause clue me what to do. Give me the power, a man's red flower, so I can be like you. Oh, move it too. I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you.
Totally unbelievable.
And they be like me. They like to be human too.
You're amazing. You're fantastic.
Oh, no. I decree that the game is not over.
Well, that's incredible.
Oh, Mr. Guitar Man.
All right. Totally unbelievable.
6 trees, baby. Survive the weeds. Never don't go by.
You're flying. You're amazing.
I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you. Talk like you.
You're fantastic.
It's true. Someone like me can learn to be like someone like you. Learn to be like someone like me.
I was perfect. I'm the best.
You got a high score. Please enter your initials.
Oh, no way. You beat me. Man, that just can't be. I'm the king. I'm the real deal, Neil. Oh, man, it can't be. It's impossible, I tell you.
Come on, Mowgli.
Shere Khan!
The man cub was here? How delightful. Shere Khan is coming, man cub.
Now, please, no more trouble. I'm too old for this.
You're right. Mowgli should stay with me.
That's not what I meant, and you know it.
Oh, I see. And just what did you mean, you old bag of bones?
I meant Mowgli has to go straight to the man village before something worse happens.
Well, he ain't going. He's staying with me.
He can't stay, Baloo. You know the jungle is too dangerous for a man cub.
Stop worrying, Baggy. I'll be there to take care of him.
Like you did when the monkeys took him?
But I don't want to lose him. I love him like he was my own cub. Hey, where's Mowgli?
Oh, no.
Let me go.
Don't worry, man cub. Trust in me. It is so nice to see you. I'm a friend.
I don't believe you.
I hear you want to stay in the jungle. With me, you can stay here forever.
You want to eat me.
That's not true. I just want to play with you. Though Mother says I shouldn't play with my food. Huh? You'll see. It's a splendid game. Come on, dinner. A man cub. Let's start the game. I can slide. I can swirl.
You're groovy.
I can twist. And I can twirl.
That's great.
I can slither. Smooth and slow.
That's great.
You will see just what I show.
You're right.
I am in
Power. You're amazing.
play with my food. That was superb. Now it's time to be serious. I have spark.
You're fantastic.
I have charm.
Character talent. Well, that's incredible.
Ways to harm.
Totally unbelievable.
Power
up. You're amazing.
Hypnotized. I am in
You're fantastic.
mode.
Power up.
Play with my food.
Well, that's incredible.
I'm almost hypnotized, but that's enough. Closer.
Totally unbelievable. Power up. You're right.
Sway with
You're amazing. Power up.
little more.
You're fantastic.
I
was perfect. I'm the best.
You got a high score. Please enter your initials.
First I lose my dinner, and now my size is stuffed. Oh, I should listen to my mother. Shere Khan, what a surprise.
Yes, isn't it? Forgive me for having interrupted your complaining. I am searching for the man-cub. Where do you suppose he could be?
I don't know.
Is that so? Well, if you do just happen to see the man-cub, you will inform me first. Understand?
I get the point. Cross my heart. Hope to die.
Good show.
Blue? Bagheera?
Oh. It's always the same thing. Always bored. What are we gonna do?
I don't know. What you wanna do? Hey, look down there.
Blimey! He's got hands like a monkey and legs like a stork.
Now I know what we're gonna do. Let's have some fun with the little fella and see what he does.
Yeah! Let's see what you got, man cub. Get ready for our funny vultures dance. Look at the little bag of bones, walking in a jungle all alone. Looks like he's found some company with Fozzie.
That's great.
We're a little bored, we don't know what to do, but now we're gonna have some fun with you. We don't really know just where to go, but we're gonna go real slow. We are the vultures.
You're alive.
Birds of a feather. We are the vultures.
You're amazing.
Always stick together. Great, man cub. I think we found a new friend. Now here's some more. Get ready. The little bloke, he's doing alright. We might make something out of him tonight. Things ain't going like he'd planned, but we can lend a helping hand. In all our roaming and all our flights, we never met an animal we didn't like. We're a tight-knit set of birds, and we've only got one word. We are the vultures.
That's 4 words.
Birds of a feather. We are the vultures. Always stick together. Nice dancing. You're really funny. Now let's try to make a vulture out of you.
You're alive. Power up. You're amazing.
You ain't got no wings, ain't got no feet, but you come along looking pretty sweet. We won't make any further fuss, 'cause now you're one of us. We are the vultures. Birds of a feather. We are the vultures. Always stick together, together, together.
I was perfect. I'm the best.
You got a high score. Please enter your initials.
Congratulations, pal! You did it! Hey, guys! We made a vulture out of him!
Very good.
Right.
Now you are an upstanding member of the vulture community.
Well done.
Shere Khan is coming! Quick, we gotta go!
Run, Mowgli, run!
It's no use trying to escape, man cub. You have to face me.
The fire, man cub! Shere Khan is afraid of the fire!
I say, are you ready, man cub?
Go for the power-up before Shere Khan to make him fall 3 times.
I would like to see what sort of challenge you are. Please show me.
You're grooving. All right. You're cool.
Do you know who you are facing? Do you know just who I am? Prepare to meet your last defeat in the paws of Shere Khan.
Cool.
I may let you run, and I may let you hide, but there's no way you'd escape your fate, even if you tried. Enjoy the moment, man cub. You won't live to be a man. Run. You are impressive. Now I'll show you what kind of enemy I am.
Run! You're fantastic! You have a chance! Run, friend, run! All right!
This is your last dance. You humans are all the same. On the world you think you reign, but now the hunter is the hunted as you've become my game. This is your last race. I'll put you in your place. You've come to meet your destiny. Now it's I you must face. Take a deep breath, my friend, as you are near the end. Now run. You're quite a fighter, man cub, but it's over. Now my claws will be your fate.
You're amazing! All right! Run! You're grooving!
While you have a chance.
Run, friend, run! You're grooving!
This is your last dance.
That's great! You're flying!
Enough.
You got a high score. Please enter your initials.
Hey, I did it! I'm really good. I did it! I did it! Baloo!
Baloo?
Remember, Mowgli, greater love hath no one than he that lays down his life for his friend. When great deeds are remembered in this jungle, one name will stand above all else, our friend, Baloo the bear. The memory of Baloo's sacrifice and bravery will forever be engraved on our saddened hearts.
Don't stop now, Baggy. That was beautiful.
Baloo!
I wish my mother could have heard that.
Hi. My name is Mowgli.
Hello, Mowgli. Welcome.
Don't be afraid, Mowgli. Follow her. Follow the beat.
The sun is shining above the trees. The waterfalls are singing. The birds are whispering behind the leaves. All nature's bells are ringing. It's a perfect day to let the river flow and slowly see what life is bringing. It's a perfect time to let your worries go and start a new beginning. Open up your eyes, stretch your arms out wide. Let your heart set you free. Set your sights up high in the jungle sky. It's a brand new day for you and me.
That was fine, Mowgli. You did fine.
Mowgli, are you following me?
The bees are buzzing as they ride the breeze and gently dive into the flowers. Flowers reach up high to touch the trees and feel the sight's quiet power. It's a perfect day to make your dreams come true. You become all you want to be. It's a perfect time to see your wishes through and sing in perfect harmony. Open up your eyes, stretch your arms out wide. Let your heart set you free. Set your sights up high in the jungle sky. It's a brand new day for you and me.
You're very sweet, Mowgli, but I have to go home to my village now. Do you want to follow me?
Beyond the village gates, a whole new life awaits. A whole new way to see, a whole new way to be. It's time to understand your place here in the land. It's time to feel the sun and really have some fun. Open up your eyes, stretch your arms out wide. Let your heart set you free. Set your sights up high in the jungle sky. It's a brand new day for you and me. Open up your eyes, stretch your arms out wide. Let your heart set you free. Set your sights up high in the jungle sky. It's a brand new day for you and me. It's a brand new day for you and me.
I was perfect. I'm the best.
You got a high score. Please enter your initials.
That was very nice, Mowgli. You know, you're kind of cute.
He's hooked. And he'd have made one swell bear. But no worries, 'cause I got you, Baggy Buddy. Come on, let's get with the beat. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities of Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fond of my big home. The bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. When you look under the rocks and plants and take a glance at the fancy and then maybe try a few, the bare necessities of life will come to you. Yeah. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. Yeah, I mean the bare necessities. That's why a bear can rest at ease with just the bare necessities of life. So try and relax, yeah, cool it in my backyard. Cause if you act like that BS, you're working too hard. Don't spend your time looking around for something you want that can't be found. When you find out you can live without it, then go along not thinking about it. I'll tell you something true. The bare necessities of life will come to you. For the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. Yeah, I mean the bare necessities of Mother Nature's recipes. Bring the bare necessities of life. Yeah, bring the bare necessities of life. Yeah. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities of Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fond of my big home. The bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. When you look under the rocks and plants and take a glance at the fancy and then maybe try a few, the bare necessities of life will come to you. Yeah. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. Yeah, I mean the bare necessities. That's why a bear can rest at ease with just the bare necessities of life. So try and relax, yeah, cool it in my backyard. Cause if you act like that BS, you're working too hard. Don't spend your time looking around for something you want that can't be found. When you find out you can live without it, then go along not thinking about it. I'll tell you something true. The bare necessities of life will come to you.
King Louie. Let's see who's the real king in this jungle. Can you beat my dance challenge? Can you dance with me, huh? Now, I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub and stroll right into town and be just like the other man. I'm tired of mucking around. Oh, ooby-doo, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true, and they like me. Can't learn to be human too.
Now see here, mister, I'm the VIP in this jungle.
Now don't try to kid me, man cub. I made a deal with you. What I desire is man's red fire to make my dream come true. Now give me that secret, man cub. Come on and tell me what to do. Now give me the power of man's red fly so I can be like you. Oh, ooby-doo, I wanna be like you. That's great. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true, it ain't like me. Can't learn to be human too. Can you dance with me? Oh, cool.
Anything you do, I can do better.
Oh, really? Let's see. Can you walk like me? And can you talk like me? Can you walk like me? Baby, can you talk like me? Ow! Can you walk like me? And can you talk like me? Ow! Walk like, talk like, walk like, talk like me. Can you dance with me? Oh, ooby-doo, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you. You see it's true, cause it ain't like me. Can't learn to be human too. That's what I wanna do. Oh, ooby-doo, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you. You see it's true, it ain't like me. Can't learn to be human too. Human too. Ow! Oh, cool.
Oh yeah, I mean you can sing, but I can swing. They don't call me the king for nothing.
Nice job, King Louie. You won the challenge. Now sit back and relax while you watch my latest video. You wanna dance with me? Can you dance with me, huh? Now, I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub and stroll right into town and be just like the other man. I'm tired of mucking around. Oh, ooby-doo, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You see true, and ain't like me.